I love cooking because I love to eat the food the way I want to eat. Also, I share my love through cooking. So it's another way of me saying I love you to the people I cook for, friends and family. And today, I'm going to make vegetable ramen. Yep, vegetable ramen using very common ingredients. You ready? Let's get started. First, I need a vegetable broth because it's a vegetarian ramen. I put onion skin. Ideally, you want to use organic one. And a carrot. I peeled carrots. So carrot skin. And I even put the seeds. Look at that. Peppers, seeds, and onion. These. Just put this and cook in, let's say, middle setting for 30 minutes or so. Okay, this will make a base for vegetable ramen. So for ramen, I want to use sesame oil. Okay, so I put some sesame oil and cook vegetable. Oops. Okay, so low temperature. That's what I want for the vegetable soup. Ooh, it's gonna be so good. See, right? So while I'm cooking the vegetable broth, I saute onion, carrot, cabbage, and I'm going to make ramen noodle using spaghetti. That's a trick. And what I need is baking soda and salt. Ready? So boiling water, you want to add baking soda. So 1 liter of water, you want to add about 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Okay? And salt. Maybe 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay. And then check the time. Okay, it'll be ready in 10 minutes. So I'm gonna cook. The skinnier pasta is better for this recipe. So I have this spaghetti. The pot is a little small, so it might be a little difficult. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna add a noodle to the pot. Yep. Okay. And there's a little strange or different smell than the regular spaghetti because I add baking soda in the water, hot water, but that's okay. You can saute mushroom. First, sesame oil, because I like the flavor with ramen noodle. And saute it, and I add a little soy sauce. This makes a really nice topping. But if you don't have it, you don't need it. All right, so I'm gonna strain this vegetable broth. This is a key. Whoa, look at that beautiful color, right? Okay. Yep, and we just need a soup. Very healthy. So I strain the vegetable broth. So the vegetables, and then we just need a juice. And heat it up. Yep. And add a little bit more soy sauce. And I'm gonna add a little salt and a little bit of sesame oil. And these are small mushrooms. And I'm going to add a miso to this broth, and I'm pretty much ready to eat. So the final stage, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put ramen noodle in a bowl. Look at that. It's spaghetti, but it tastes different. All right, a little bit more. This is good. And I'm gonna add the vegetable soup. You would not believe this is just the vegetables. No meat. And then garnish. So this is a basic version. You can add green onions, right? You can add sauteed mushrooms. My fingers are clean. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of seaweed too. Yeah, healthier. And spinach. Yeah. I like color in my food. See? Looks better. On top, that. And then sauteed vegetables, onion, carrot, cabbage. Eat more vegetables. It cleanses your system too. And a little bit pepper, red chili pepper. And how about adding sesame seed? You don't need to, but just make it more flavorful. Black pepper, because I love color. And if you have a fresh garlic, ooh, that's another flavor I definitely recommend. And this one, fried garlic, onion, sesame, and sesame seed oil. Ta-da! Bon appetit!